As you can imagine, I love November. November brings out the pie maker in just about everyone because, well, Thanksgiving, of course. And if you're anything like me, the turkey, the stuffing, and the sides, they're all great, but they're just opening acts for the main event. Pies, of course. Which is why I am so excited about the first of 2 November classes scheduled for this month, Thanksgiving pies. First thing we'll do in this 2-hour class is brush up on our pie crust skills so you don't have to buy these. And then we'll dive into a trio of recipes that you and your guests will absolutely adore. I'll teach you how to make my dark and handsome chocolate espresso pecan pie. Butter pecan ice cream optional, but highly recommended. If you prefer something a little more fruited, we'll be doing a cranberry cherry crumb pie. Don't you just love the festive dusting of the confectioner's sugar? And for anyone who's already had their fill of pumpkin, we'll do a spicy and creamy sweet potato pie. Man, talk about a tasty trio. Now, on November 21st, we're doing another 2-hour class that I've been getting requests for since the last holiday season. I'm calling it Mini Pies for Holiday Gifting and Entertaining. And frankly, I'm having a heck of a time whittling down the recipes to just 3 favorites. There's a Linzer pie in contention. That's a sort of riff on the classic jam-filled Linzer tart. There's probably going to be a mini pecan pie. You can't go wrong with those. And I'm pretty keen on these mini chocolate chip cookie pies too. But for now, I'm just going to keep you in suspense. So if these classes sound like fun, why don't you sign up? We'd love to have you in class. Once again, we're offering a big discount if you sign up for both classes, and you'll find the sign-up links below. And don't forget, if you can't make it to the live classes, everyone who signs up gets lifetime access to the replay and the recipes. Great deal, huh? We'll see you soon.